Do you know that you can solve this an amazing maths problem within the shortest time possible? Worry not, it does not seem to be so difficult. So let's now solve it step by step. So let's now start with the solution. So in our solution, we have 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 to the power of a is equals to 80. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to work out, assume we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. This one can also be written as a to the power of m plus n. So that is to mean that now our 4 to the power of a multiplied by 4 to the power of a shall now is equals to 4 to the power of 2 to a. So now we shall now say that our 4 to the power of 2a is equals to 80. So what do we now need to do? We need to introduce the log from both sides. So in that case now we shall have the log of 4 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 80. So from there now, assume we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can also be written as m to the log of p. So by taking this, our log of 4 to the power of 2a can also be written as 2a, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 80. So from there now we shall divide both sides by the log of 4. So this side divide by the log of 4, then also this side divide by the log of 4. Log 4 and log 4 shall cancel each other. So now we shall have 2a is equals to the log of 80 all over the log of 4. So our next step now we shall say that, so let's now factorize this. So now we shall now have 2a is equals to, so our log of 80 can also be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 8, then all over the log of 4. So assuming that we have the log AB, so that is we have the log of A multiplied by B. This one can also be written as the log of A plus the log of B. So similarly, you can now say that our 2A is equals to the log of 10 plus the log of 8 all over the log of 4. So all over now the log of 4. The log of 4. So our next step now is to divide both sides by the log of 4. So 2a is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 10 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 8 all over the log of 4. So next now we shall say that 2a, so our 2a is equals to, so this one can also be written as the log of 10, so we can still have it as the log 10 all over. So the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3 all over the log of 2 to the power of 2. So next we shall say that, so next now 2a is equals to, so this one now is the log of 10 all over, so this one now can be written as 2 the log of 2 plus now this one is 3 the log of 2 all over 2 the log of 2. So our value for 2a, here now we shall say that 2a is equals to, so here now we shall now have 1 over 2 the log of 10 all over the log of 2, then plus, so here now we shall have 3 all over 2 because log 2 and log 2 shall cancel. So next now we all know that suppose we have the log of a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now our value for 2a is equals to, so this one now shall have 1 over 2 the log of 10 to the base of 2, then plus 3 all over 2. So the next step now, we want to do away with 2a. So now we shall divide both sides by 2, then all of this one now shall also divide by 2. So now our final answer now shall be, so before even we move to the final answer, so these 2 and these 2 shall cancel. So now our a shall be equals to 1 over 2, then the log of 10 to the base of 2 plus 3 over 2, then all of this one divide by 2. So our next now we shall say that, so finally when you divide by 2, our final answer shall be a is equals to, so 1 over 4, the log of 10 to the base of 2, then plus this one now shall be written as 3 over 4. So this one now shall be our correct answer for the value for A. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.